Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 1 in exercise 4.1 quadratic equations. So we start with fifth problem in question number 1. So here the problem is 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 which is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. We have to check whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. So here the first step is we have to multiply these two terms on the left hand side as well as these two terms on the right hand side. So while multiplying, you see 2x into x, 2x square, minus 1 into x, minus x, and 2x into minus 3, minus 6x, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3. And here, x into x, x square, 5 into x, 5x, and minus 1. Minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. So while simplifying, you see here 2x square minus x minus 6x makes minus 7x plus 3. And here x square plus 5x minus x. Therefore, here the answer is 4x plus 4x minus 5. Now we are going to shift the terms on the right hand side to the left hand side. So when you move, what happens? There is a sign change. So here this plus x square becomes minus and plus 4x becomes minus and this minus becomes plus. Right. So here we have moved these terms to the left hand side. Now we are going to simplify this expression. So here 2x square and here it is minus x square. So 2x square minus x square gives x square and minus 7x minus 4x. So here both the x terms are having the same sign. So we have to add these two terms. So 7 plus 4 is 11 and since both of them have minus sign, here you have to add a minus. So minus 11x. And 3 plus 5 gives you 8 plus 8. So here when you compare this equation with the standard format, so this is your standard format, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when you compare these two equations, here in this equation we have an x square term, we have a x and a constant. Therefore, this equation is a quadratic equation. So the next one is question number 6. Here the question is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So here on the left hand side we have a quadratic equation, but on the right hand side we have terms like this. So this is of the format a minus b the whole square. So here we can expand this by using the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in the place of a we have x, therefore x square, and in the place of b I have 2, so 2 square is 4 and minus 2ab, therefore minus 2 into x into 2. Therefore here when you simplify this part we will be having x square, 2 into x gives 4x and here there is a minus sign. So minus 4x plus 4. Again here we are moving this left hand side terms to the right hand side. So automatically there is a sign change here. So here we have minus x square plus 4x and minus 4. And you see these two terms they cancel each other and the remaining terms are 3x plus 4x gives 7x and 1 minus 4 gives minus 3. So here this is our final expression. So when you compare this equation with the standard format, you see here we don't have a x squared term. Therefore, the given equation, therefore the given problem doesn't make a quadratic equation. Now we proceed with our seventh one. So here the question is x plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So here this is of the format a plus b whole cube and this is the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here in the place of a we have x, in the place of b I have 2. So a cube, therefore x cube plus b cube is 2 cube plus 3a square b 3. In the place of a I have x, therefore 3x square into 2 plus again 3ab square. So 3 into x into 2 square which is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So here again we are simplifying this equation. So x cube plus 2 cube is 8 and 3 into 2 is 6, therefore 6x square, and 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, therefore 12x is equal to, I am multiplying this 2x with the terms inside. So 2x into x square, it gives 2x cube, and 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. So now again we are going to simplify this equation. I am moving the terms on the right hand side to the left hand side, therefore this creates a sign change. So write all these terms as such, and here this plus 2x cube becomes minus 2x cube, and minus 2x becomes plus 2x. Again when you simplify, you see here I have x cube and here I have minus 2x cube. So both have different sign. So you have to subtract. So minus 2 plus 1 gives you minus 1. Therefore minus x cube, plus here I have only one x square term. So write it. And here I have 12x and 2x. So both have the same sign, right? 12 plus 2 gives 14x, and here the constant is 8. So write 8 is equal to 0. So again when you compare this equation with the standard equation, you see here we have only x square, x and a constant. But here in the given equation we have a x cube term. Therefore the given equation is not a quadratic equation. And finally we are doing our last problem here. So here this is our last part of your first question. So here the problem is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. So this is of the format a minus b whole cube. So what is the formula? So this is your formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So in the place of a we have x here, and in the place of b we have 2. So when you expand here, it becomes x cube minus the b cube is 2 cube minus 3a square b. Therefore 3x square into 2 plus 3x into 2 square. Again when you simplify, you see you are writing the left hand side term as such. So here x cube and 2 cube gives you 8. Therefore minus 8 minus 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore minus 6x square, and 2 square is 4 and 4 3s are 12. Therefore plus 12x. So now we are moving all these terms on the right hand side to the left hand side. So there will be a sign change. So write the left hand side terms as such, and here when you move these terms, what happens? This plus x cube becomes minus x cube, minus 8 becomes plus 8, and minus 6x square becomes plus, and this plus 12x becomes minus. So here you see this plus x cube minus x cube, they cancel each other, and when you simplify, you see here I have plus 6x square and here minus 4x square. Therefore 6 minus 4 gives you 2, and here 6 is with plus sign, therefore plus 2x square, and again minus 12x and here minus x. So here both of the terms are with the same sign. So you have to add these two values. So 12 plus 1 gives you 13, therefore here minus 13x. And 8 plus 1 gives you 9, which is equal to 0. So this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, right? Because you see when you compare, here the coefficient of x square is a, but here it is 2. It is fine, right? Either you can have simply x square or with some numbers. Anyway, it is correct. And we have an x square term, we have an x term and a constant. Therefore, the given equation is of the standard format. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.